All right, this is our kettle corn part of the kettle corn business. First thing you do is you preheat it. You put in some testers. Starts to pop there. You go ahead and add all your popcorn. I use 2 cups. And we're still trying to figure out all the perfect recipe type thing. But so kettle goes in the kettle. Corn goes in the kettle. And then shortly after, we go ahead and add a cup and a third of sugar. It goes in there like that. And get an oar. I don't know what type of paddle this is, but it came with it. So it seems like it does this for like 2 minutes. And then it starts popping pretty vigorously, so you gotta wear gloves and a mask because it's oil's probably 450, maybe 500 degrees. And so you don't want to take that in the face, or definitely not the eyes. And then keep stirring it, and then when you're ready, you dump it, and you shift it, and not all the little things get popped, so they fall through, and you can see them all over the ground. We've popped probably, I don't know, 6 or 7 things. Batches, yeah. Fire's going.
I got Nathan's leg in the photo from City.
It's getting close. A lot of sugar. Getting close. Put this baby on. Nate is the handy cameraman doing the camera work. We got him on a ladder. We can capture all this. I gotta suck in my gut because I'm getting my picture taken. All right.
What time is it, Mom?
That's it. Still, not bad. And you get this much. So, what I need to see have all the unpopped kernels I'm still getting. I gotta leave it on there long enough to pop, but not too long to where it burns. And that is a very quick. The popcorn won't burn as quick as the sugar. The sugar has a burning radius of like 415, and then popcorn burns like 500, and that is a quick thing that happens. So, anyways, that's our kettle corn. Once it cools, we scoop it, we dump it in bags. We got a little tape machine here that it goes through there, and you know what? Here, let's get a bag. This is Christy's part of it. Is a customer comes up and says, "Hey, good looking. Can I get 1 bag of kettle corn?"
What you got in the kettle?
Yeah, what you got? What you got kettling over there? We've learned all this new lingo. Hey, you kettling over there yet? And we say, yeah, we're kettling.
All right, stop. All right.
Ooh-wee. take it. Take my gloves off, but it goes like this. Goes through the machine, and bing, got a thing. So one more bag of popcorn. We've done this today, so we'll sell those for probably 7, and then larger ones would be 10. And yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. And if you look in here, this is the trailer we got. It is that's a lemonade crusher thing that squeezes lemonade, and then this is cup storage. So you pull it, you crush and add shakers, or got a shaker with lemonade and stuff. You got one sink here, you got another sink there. Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. And then this back here is a tent that we got. So this one says kettle corn. It's pretty nice. And then we have another one stands at 10 by 10 that says lemonade or lemon shake up, something like that. So the whole kit and caboodle, we got it all. So all right, well, bye.